Hello students, in this video we are going to study subtraction of decimal numbers. Subtraction of decimal number is same like whole numbers only. But these two things are very important. To subtract decimal numbers, make sure that the decimal points of the given numbers are placed exactly one below another. While subtracting decimal numbers, the number of digits after the decimal point should be equal. In case they are not equal, the gaps must be filled with zeros after the last digit. Students, you can see here one example. Subtract 5 from 6.82. Therefore, 6.82 minus 5. Now you can see here in first number we have two digits in the decimal part, and in the second number we don't have any digit in the decimal part. So we have to add there two zeros. Therefore, in both the number now equal number of digits we have. Now we can subtract and we can get the difference. Therefore, 2 minus 0 is 2. 8 minus 0 is 8. Decimal point exactly below all decimal points, and then 6 minus 5 is 1. Therefore, answer is 1.82. Now let's solve some questions from exercise 8.6. First one, subtract, in that first example, rupees 18.25 from rupees 20.75. So from rupees 20.75 we are going to subtract 18.25. Therefore, 20.75 minus 18.25 is 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 2 is 5, decimal point, then 10 minus 8 is 2, here 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore, difference is rupees 2.50. See one more example here. 2.051 kilometer we have to subtract from 5.206 kilometer. Therefore, 5.206 kilometer minus 2.051 kilometer. Here you can see in the decimal part we have equal number of digits, so directly we can subtract. Therefore, 6 minus 1 is 5. Then here from 0 we cannot subtract, therefore borrow 1, so it will become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Then this 2 become 1 now. Therefore 1 minus 0 is 1. Decimal point exactly below decimal point. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. Therefore answer is 3.155 kilometer. See here one more example. 0.314 kilogram we have to subtract from 2.107 kilogram. Therefore 2.107 kilogram minus 0.314 kilogram. Therefore we can see here 7 minus 4 is 3. Then 10 minus 1 is 9. Now this becomes 0 because we borrowed 1 here. Therefore it becomes now 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Now we from here also we borrow 1. Therefore it becomes now 1. Now 1 minus 0 is 1. Therefore answer is 1.793 kilogram. Next question is find the value of 9.756 minus 6.28. Therefore 9.756 minus 6.28 is, now first here make equal number of digits in the decimal part. Now we can subtract. Therefore 6 minus 0 is 6. Now here borrow 1, it becomes 15. Now 15 minus 8 is 7. Now therefore here 6 remain. 6 minus 2 is 4. Decimal point, then 9 minus 6 is 3. Therefore answer is 3.476. See one more example. 11.6 minus 9.847. Therefore 11.6 minus 9.847. Here also we will make equal number of digits first and then we will subtract. Now digits in the decimal part is equal. Now we can subtract. Therefore 10 minus 7 is 3. Then here 9 minus 4 is 5. Then here it became 15. Therefore 15 minus 8 is 7. Then decimal point, this became 10. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. Now here it is 0. Therefore answer is 1.753. Now let's solve some word problems. In that first one, Raju bought a book of rupees 35.65. He gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? Now cost of book is given, that is rupees 35.65, but Raju given 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. So whatever amount will remain, that amount shopkeeper will give back to the Raju. Yes or no? Therefore we have to subtract the cost of book from the amount he given to the shopkeeper. So whatever difference we'll get, that will be the answer. Therefore, total amount given is rupees 50. Cost of book is rupees 35.65. Therefore, amount left is equal to rupees 50 minus rupees 35.65. That is 50 minus 35.65 we can write like this, that 50.00. Okay. Now here see borrow 1 from here, and now this will become 9, this one also 9, and this will become 10. Now this subtraction, this way of subtracting one number from another number, we know very well. So now you can see here 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 6 is 3, then decimal point. Now 9 minus 5 is 4 and 4 minus 3 is 1. Therefore answer is 14.35. Therefore difference is rupees 14.35, and this is the amount that shopkeeper will give back to the Raju. See here one more question. Namita travels 20 km 50 meter every day. Out of this she travels 10 km 200 meter by bus and rest by auto. How much distance does she travel by auto? That is the question. Now here given things are Namita travels 20 km 50 meter every day. Okay. Out of that 10 km 200 meter by bus and remaining distance by auto. So by auto how much distance she travels every day, that we need to find out. Okay. So to find out that, we have to subtract distance traveled by bus from the total distance she travels. Okay. So whatever difference we'll get, that will be the distance she travels by auto. Therefore total distance travel, that is 20 km 50 meter. So meter to kilometer, we have to divide this meter by 1000. Therefore it will become 050 kilometer. Now 20 kilometer plus 050 kilometer is 20.050 kilometer. In the same way, distance traveled by bus is 10 kilometer 200 meters. So 200 meter first convert into the kilometer. Therefore 200 divided by 1000 is 0.200. Therefore 10 kilometer plus 0.200 is 10.200 kilometer. Now distance traveled by auto is 20.050 minus 10.200 kilometer. That is 20.050 minus 10.200 is 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 0 is 5, then 10 minus 2 is 8, then here 9 minus 0 is 9, then 1 minus 1 is 0. That is 9.850 kilometer. Therefore distance traveled by auto is 9.850 kilometer. Next question is, Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kg. Out of this, 3 kg 500 gram is onions, 2 kg 75 gram is tomatoes, and the rest is potatoes. What is the weight of the potatoes? The question is that total vegetables bought, that is 10 kg. Out of that, 3 kg 500 gram is onions and 2 kg 75 grams is tomatoes. And we need to find out the weight of potatoes. So when we'll add this weight of onions and weight of tomatoes, and when we'll subtract that sum from total weight of vegetables, then whatever weight will remain, that will be the weight of potatoes. Therefore first you add these two numbers and then subtract that answer from 10 kg. You will get weight of potatoes. Students, one thing you remember, that if numbers are given in different units, so first convert them into the 1 unit. Now therefore weight of onions is 3 kg 500 gram. So convert this gram also into the kilogram. Therefore it will become 3.500 kilogram. In the same way, weight of tomatoes is 2 kg 75 grams. So 75 grams also we are going to convert into the kilogram. So it will become 2.075 kilogram. Therefore total weight of onions and tomatoes is, add this both the numbers, so it will become 5.575 kilogram. That is, we can see here addition, 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 7 is 7, 5 plus 0 is 5, then decimal point, then 3 plus 2 is 5. So answer is 5.575 kilogram is the weight of onions and tomatoes togetherly. Now we want to find out weight of potatoes. So from total weight of vegetables, we have to subtract weight of onions and tomatoes. Therefore total weight is 10 kilogram and weight of onions and tomatoes is 5.57 kilogram. Therefore the difference is 4.425 kilogram. Here we can see that. Okay. Now here see 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. Decimal point. Then 9 minus 5 is 4. Now here this 1 became 0. So that 0 will come. That is 4.425 kilogram is the weight of potatoes. So in this way we can solve this type of problems. I hope you understood everything. Thank you students and have a nice day.